Hello, super friends. Get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of toys and games. We're going to discover so many fun things and learn some brand new words along the way. Are you ready to play and learn? Let's go. Toys are amazing. They help us play, imagine, and learn. Let's look at some of my favorite toys and learn their names and what we do with them. Look at this. This is a ball. A ball is usually round. We can play many games with a ball. I love to play with my ball outside. I can throw the ball high up in the air. Then I try to catch it. Throw and catch. We can also bounce the ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. It goes down and comes back up. Bouncing a ball is great fun. Sometimes I kick the ball with my foot. We can kick a ball in a game called American football. Goal! Balls come in different sizes and colors. Some are big and some are small. Some are red, blue, or green. Playing with a ball helps us move our bodies. It's good exercise. Here's my doll. Isn't she pretty? Dolls are like little friends we can play with. My doll has soft hair and a lovely dress. I like to dress her up in different clothes. We can change her outfit. I can brush her hair. We can pretend the doll is a baby or a grown-up. We can play at home. We can have a picnic with our dolls outside too. Playing with dolls helps us use our imagination. It's like creating our own little world. Wow, look at this. This is my scooter. A scooter has a board to stand on and wheels to roll. I stand on the scooter with one foot. I use my other foot to push off the ground. Push, push, push. Then the scooter rolls. Zoom, zoom. It goes fast. I hold onto the handlebars to steer. Riding a scooter is exciting. It helps us practice our balance. We need to be careful and wear a helmet. Scooters are great for riding outside in the park or on the sidewalk. I love scooters. Hello there. Who is this? It's a puppet. A puppet is a toy that you can move, often with your hand. I put my hand inside the puppet. I can move its mouth and arms. It looks like the puppet is talking. Some puppets are moved with strings. We can make puppets talk in funny voices. We can put on a puppet show for our family and friends. Puppets help us tell stories. We can make up adventures for our puppet characters. It's like bringing toys to life. Using a puppet is a fun way to be creative. Vroom, vroom, look at this cool toy car. Toy cars have wheels and can roll on the floor. I like to drive my toy car around the room. I make car sounds. Vroom, beep, beep. We can build roads for our toy cars using blocks or drawing with chalk. We can have car races. Playing with toy cars helps us understand movement and speed. It's a lot of fun. What are these colorful shapes? They are blocks. Blocks are pieces we can stack and connect. I use blocks to build things. I can build a tall tower, stack one block on top of another. I can build a house, a castle, or even a robot with my blocks. The only limit is my imagination. Building with blocks helps us learn about shapes and sizes. It also helps us solve problems. Sometimes my tower falls down. Crash. But that's okay, I can build it again. Do you like playing with blocks? All aboard. This is my toy train. A toy train has an engine and carriages that connect. I put the train on the tracks. Choo, choo. The train goes along the track. It makes a fun sound. Toy trains can go fast or slow. We can build long tracks that go all around the room. Playing with a toy train helps us learn about sequences and connections. It's fun to watch it go. Look up in the sky. This is my plane. A toy plane has wings and can pretend to fly. I hold my plane and make it fly through the air. Up, up, up it goes. Then it comes down for a landing. We can pretend our plane is flying to faraway places, maybe to the moon or across the ocean. Toy planes help us imagine traveling and exploring the world. They teach us about things that fly. Zoom! What floats on water? A boat. A toy boat can float in the bathtub or a pool. I put my boat in the water. It stays on top. It can float. Floating means staying on the surface of the water. I can push my boat gently across the water. We can have boat races in the bath. Toy boats help us learn about water and how things float. It's a fun way to play during bath time. Look at my bike. A bike has 2 wheels and pedals that you push with your feet. I sit on the seat and put my feet on the pedals. I pedal round and round. This makes the wheels turn. Riding a bike helps me go fast. It's great exercise and lots of fun to ride outside. Riding a bike helps us learn balance and coordination. We need to wear a helmet to be safe. Let's ride our bikes with some friends. What is this box? It's a puzzle. A puzzle is a picture cut into many small pieces. I try to find pieces that fit together. I look at the shapes and the colors on the pieces. When I put all the pieces in the right place, I finish the puzzle. I made the whole picture. Doing a puzzle helps us think and solve problems. It's like a treasure hunt for pieces. Would you like to try? Look up at the sky. This is a kite. A kite is a toy that flies in the wind. A kite has a string that I hold. When the wind blows, the kite goes up, up, up into the sky. I let out the string to make the kite fly higher. It dances in the wind. Fly, kite, fly! Flying a kite is exciting. It helps us understand the wind and how it moves things. Oh, he is so soft. This is my teddy bear. A teddy bear is a soft, cuddly toy animal. My teddy bear is brown and fluffy. He has button eyes and a stitched nose. I love to hug my teddy bear. He's very soft and makes me feel cozy. I can take my teddy bear to bed with me. He's a good friend to cuddle with. Teddy bears are soft toys that are great for hugging. I love my teddy. Look at these colorful things. They're balloons. A balloon is a thin rubber bag filled with air. Balloons can be round or long. They come in many bright colors like red, blue, and yellow. I can hold the string of the balloon. It floats in the air if it's filled with a special gas called helium. Sometimes balloons go pop. That means they break with a loud noise. Pop! Balloons are fun for parties and decorations. Do you like having balloons at your birthday party? Get ready to practice all the words you've learnt today. Ball. Ball. Bounce the ball. Doll. Doll. My doll has soft hair and a lovely dress. Scooter. Scooter. I love scooters. Puppet. Puppet. Puppets help us tell stories. Toy car. Toy car. I like to drive my toy car. Blocks. Blocks. I use blocks to build things. Toy train. Toy train. Toy trains can go fast or slow. Toy plane. Toy plane. A toy plane has wings. Toy boat. Toy boat. A toy boat can float. Bike. Bike. Look at my bike. Puzzle. Puzzle. It's a puzzle. Kite. Kite. A kite is a toy that flies. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. My teddy bear is brown and fluffy. Balloon. Balloon. Sometimes balloons go pop. Thanks for watching. See you soon.